Hi, this is Søren from JetWave. Let me show you how to charge the JetWave remote control. It doesn't matter if you want to charge the remote control turned on or turned off. Both is possible, but of course the charging time is higher if it's turned on, because then the display is still on and consumes some energy. So I prefer to charge mine while the display is turned off, like this one. It's a wireless charger that will be connected with a magnet, like this. And then you just plug it in and the charging process is starting. You can also see that it is still displaying the actual level of charge. Sometimes it can happen that the charging process is very slow or even negative. So you get a discharge and instead of a charge. The reason for that always is a weak connection. So first of all, ensure that this part and this part is always cleaned. Clean it with a towel or a cloth like this, and then make sure that the connection is very tight. Don't put it on your desk like this, because that might already be enough to come loose and not charge it properly. Also, we highly recommend to use our plug. You can use this USB plug, but some devices like notebooks or even power banks do not have enough outflow of current. And therefore we highly recommend to make use of the plug that we provide with a remote control.